Import your helicopter model and make sure the origins are correct. Apply rotation. Place the circles on the desired locations. This circle is optional, just use it for dual-rotor helicopters like CH-47. Set the helicopter objects and the main working is done. After that, just change the parameters in the Geo node. Find the best working values for your helicopter. Make the curve as you want, but make it smooth for better and smooth movement of helicopter. Set the max tilt values that you want. The helicopter automatically tilts according to the curve. Adjust the curve while the animation that you want. Thanks for watching.